Adult film star Stormy Daniels is on the witness stand right now for former President Donald Trump's hush money criminal trial. You'll remember that this trial centers around a $130,000 payment Daniels received in 2016 by former Trump attorney Michael Cohen. Prosecutors alleged the payment was a cover-up to stop Daniels from going public about an alleged sexual encounter with Donald Trump. He has denied the encounter and has pleaded not guilty.
CBS News campaign reporter Katrina Kaufman is outside of the courthouse in Manhattan. All right, Katrina, what do we know about what's happening in court right now?
Good morning. So Stormy Daniels took the stand maybe 10 minutes ago, and so far they're just going through her backstory. They're talking about her upbringing, how she got into dancing, how she got into adult films. So they're just really starting to establish her background first before we get more into the details of what really pertains to this case.
So what do we expect to hear from her?
Well, she is central to this case because the payments at the heart of it, the reimbursements to Michael Cohen, are related to him paying off Stormy Daniels for keeping quiet about her alleged affair with Donald Trump. So we absolutely expect to hear about her history with Donald Trump, about her sexual encounter with her. There was a discussion this morning among the lawyers about what could be brought up about that in front of the jury, and the judge agreed that he doesn't want salacious details coming out, but that the jury does need to understand how that encounter with Donald Trump came about and to some extent what happened. And then, of course, we will learn about what led up to the payoff of Stormy Daniels, or alleged payoff leading up to the 2016 election. So this is going to be very crucial evidence for the prosecution in this case, and a very contentious day in court, I would imagine.
So, Katrina, can you just go back? Because I know sort of earlier, Trump's attorneys were arguing that they didn't want the prosecution to bring up the alleged sexual encounter between Stormy Daniels and Donald Trump. And you said the judge agreed that salacious details were unnecessary. Ultimately, what was the decision in regards to whether or not they could speak about the interaction between the two?
My understanding is that they can absolutely talk about that encounter, which happened back in 2006 when she met Donald Trump in Lake Tahoe. So I think that the jury will be able to hear about how she met Donald Trump, what happened that day. Just, they're not going to get into the detailed sexual aspect of it. I think the judge said, no mention of genitalia, for example, but we will hear about that very important encounter because that's where this alleged affair comes from.
All right, Katrina Kaufman for us with the news that Stormy Daniels has taken to the stand in Donald Trump's hush money case. Katrina, as always, we appreciate you. Thanks.